Hello students, we are studying fractions. In our previous video, we have seen ascending and descending order of fractions. Now, in this video, we are going to study first operation of fraction, that is addition of fractions. In addition of fraction, there are some terms and conditions applicable, so you have to understand that and keep in mind while adding two or more fractions. So we will see first addition of fraction with equal denominator. Addition of fraction with equal denominators, whether it has two fractions or three or more than three, doesn't matter. So take any two fractions. Example 1, 23 upon 7 plus 14 upon 7. Now here denominators are equal, so we have to take one common denominator in next step. If denominators are equal, take one common denominator. You don't have to add denominators, and find the sum of numerators, that is 23 plus 14. 23 plus 14, 3 plus 4, 7, 2 plus 1, 3, 37 upon 7. Now, one more step. If division is possible or simplest form possible, find the simplest form. If not possible, then convert it into mixed fraction. 37 upon 7, 7 on the 7, 7 5 are 35. So 5 integer and 2 upon 7. So this is the answer of this addition. Now second example we will take for three fractions or even more. 10 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11 plus 3 integer 4 upon 11. Now here we have three fractions. In that one is two are proper fractions and one is mixed fraction. So here we have to convert it into improper fraction. So this 10 upon 11 plus 7 upon 11 we can write as it is, or even you can add them both. Plus 11 3s are 33 plus 4, 37 upon 11. Now take one common denominator and add the numerators. 10 plus 7 plus 37. 37 plus 7, 44, and 44 plus 10, 54 upon 11. Now here also simplest form means simplest form is not possible because 54 is not divisible completely by 11. So convert it into mixed fraction. 11 4s are 44, remainder is 10. So 10 is numerator and upon 11. 4 integer 10 upon 11 is the answer. Now this was the addition of fraction with equal denominator. Now next part, when denominators are not equal. This same for subtraction also. If denominators are equal, subtract the numerators and write the answer. Now when denominators are not equal, with unequal denominators. With unequal denominators, how to add? 3 upon 7 plus 14 upon 8. This is simple example. Now there are two methods. Whether you have to find the cross product of these and make denominators equal, or find the LCM of denominators. If we find LCM of 7 and 8, it will be 7 8s are 56. So here this whole fraction we have to multiply by 8, and 14 upon 8 we have to multiply by 7. Now 7 8s are and 8 7s are, you will get equal denominators. 3 8s are 24 upon 56, and 14 7s are 98 upon 56. So here 56 as a common denominator, and 24 plus 98. 8 plus 4 12, 3 plus 9 12 upon 56. Now simplest form can be possible here. 56 and 122 are divisible by 2. So it will be 28, 2s are 56 and 61. 28 2s are again 56, means I am writing this answer here. 2 integer 5 upon 28. 28 2s are 56 plus 5, 61 upon 28. So in this way you can add. Now for same you have to do for 2, 3, 4, whatever fractions are there. So you will solve in your notebook in this way. Now remaining part, properties of addition of fractions, we will study in next video. Write down these examples in your notebook and study from page number 27. Solve examples, and first 3 questions of exercise 2A given on page number 30. First 3 questions you will solve in your homework notebook. Thank you.